Alright, a big welcome again to all my subscribers. This is part 2 of the summer surprise box purchase haul. So I had ordered the summer surprise box, plus I had ordered a couple of other things, so they all came in one order, but I wanted to focus on the summer surprise box first and then the other things. So I was thinking of posting this next week, but I thought might as well post everything for this week. So this week on Friday I would not be posting anything. It will be this video itself, so I'll have these two videos posted back to back so you can watch. This is going to be a very short one. A couple of things that I purchased other than the summer surprise box all came with this beautiful newsletter. I will definitely be sharing the 20% discount maybe randomly once I'm done with choosing the two winners, which would be announced before the 4th of July. So by 2nd of July latest I would inform who are the winners. So please make sure you participate in this channel of mine. Put participate in the comments. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, which I will just show you the link. It's My Life with Baby S with the same name. Please comment in that as well about this in the same video thing. You can just comment, participate. First winner has already been announced. Ashima is her name. Congratulations. The two more are remaining and I would be choosing them as well. So let's begin. Yeah. And because I didn't wanted the summer surprise box to have the shipping label, so I picked up this is something many people do. So let me show you the two washies that I got. You know I love washi tapes, and this is the designer decorative, my favorite, Oh Joy. I have this already. If you have seen my previous videos, you have seen. So I just got another of this. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Yeah, and then how you can stick them is, this is how you will stick them. You will just stick this out, and this is how you can stick them. This is how it look like when you stick. Yeah, and the second is again a little darker shade. I have this cover with me. And this is the second one. So these are the two Oh Joy washies that I got. I already have these, so this will be just kept for my future washies once this finish. And the second thing I got is, this is the first time I bought, this is the productivity tape. Let me open it now. So this is the productivity washi tapes. These are the two ones. They are 16-foot rolls. Yeah, two 16-foot rolls, and this is can be used like this. Yeah, this is how it looks like. This has just the, what do you call that, checklist, small checklist thing. Yeah, you can see this round. Also it has the timing, all the timings, and it's all in colorful. And this I've got for both of them. I'll just show you how it looks like. Yeah, it starts from like, you know, different it shows 6 p.m. but then this is how it is, and you can begin the way you want it. And then let me show you it line. For me, I would start from, I would not be using all this. I would start my day with 9 p.m. so see 9 a.m. sorry. So this would be here. Yeah, let's see, I'll show you. It lines up with easily. So I would just put, for example, I would leave this in 9 a.m. and then you can just put it like this, 9 a.m. till 10 p.m. and then use your scissor that you have with you, and you can just rip it up. 8 a.m. yeah, and then till 11 p.m. and then it sticks in the line. This is how it looks like. See, if you don't want to write. So I wanted to try this washi and see how, because everyday writing my baby's schedule is like a headache. So this can help me. Of course the half hours will be a thing, but somehow I can manage it just by putting like 9:30, 10:30 and so on. So this is how this washi looks like. And then the checklist ones, again I got it for, instead of making myself, which mostly I do, I can just put it like this, just some boxes. I wish they were colored ones. I think one of the summer surprise, one of the boxes had that. See, it's not, I thought it would be very difficult to align it, but it's not at all. This is for my tasks, so I'll just remove it. I'll just put it like this. Do you really need this? It's up to you, depending on how you want, and let's see how easily can it be removed. Yeah, it's easy to remove. I just wanted to try it, so I got it. Yeah, and I had the coupon as I mentioned to you, so why not use it? Will I buy it again? Let's see once I use it. So far I'm finding it quite useful than making myself, and it looks so neat. So you can see how pretty it looks. Honestly, I really like it. So this is how it looks like. It's I think $4. Again, with accessories discount you have 15% discount, so this comes like $3 or $2. So it's quite good. See, beautiful. Oh my god, I love this. I don't know what this was really missing in my life. So this is how it looks like. So these are the washies that I got. Then I also got this paper jumbo clips. I really love clips, and this is the mid-century box, beautiful box, which many people use for gift and all also, but for me, if I keep it, my daughter will attack it. Yeah, and I don't really want her to have these boxes, hold them. I'll just trash them. So these are basically 4 clips. You can use it as bookmarks, or you can use it as for clipping. For me, I got it for my petite planners. So for example, I'll show you whichever thing I'm doing. So I can just easily, I have the small ones, but I can put the whole book itself if I want here, like this. Whichever page I am, I can easily put it. Sorry, you're not able to see. See, if I just put it like this, whichever page I am. I have these small ones also, but I have so many petite planners. Even for my notebooks, I can use it easily, just like that. Yeah, to show me which page I am. So there are 4 of these. These are amazing. Maybe my husband will take one also for his office. These are the 4 ones, big ones, quite nice jumbo clips. So this is the other thing I got for my petite planners, which I have, as you have seen, many. So I would be using that. So I always was looking for it, but somehow I always, when I was shopping, I never added in the cart. This time I did. So this is one of the other things that I got. I definitely had to pick up a cover, so I got this cover. Just a minute. So I definitely wanted to pick up a cover, so I got this cover. This is the wildflower cover, and I chose purple and cherry blossom and a white background. It came out very nice, and I really like it. So this is my new cover, again with my daughter's photo, her first birthday. Please keep her in your prayers. So this is the cover, how it looks like. My Life with Baby S, my channel name. I really loved the way it came out. So this is the cover. Again, I will use it for various purpose. The next thing again I got for myself is this birthday one, around 167 birthday stickers. Yeah, these are again quite many are over for me because I've posted already. This is also for my next year's planner, because as I mentioned to you guys, I might be posting a couple of them. See, it got one. Oh my god, I hate this. I hate this when it happens. See, but nothing should go to waste. I picked up this sticker as well. So this is for my birthdays. So many birthdays are coming up, and so many, mostly I have highlighted them, but this is also for my next year's. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Let's Party sticker sheets. Yeah, and all these. So this is another thing that I picked up. Also, the final thing that I picked up is another notebook. As I mentioned to you my last time, for the notebook I had this She Designed a Life She Loved. I picked up for my treasured recipe book. Like that only, I have planned to have one. It's only for God. That's about the faith. So I was thinking about putting the faith matters one, no? The cover that I have, Faith Can Move Mountains, something like that, the last cover that I have. So I thought that cover I sometimes need a little bit for my planner as well. That cover will motivate me, especially I'll put it during Christmas time. So this one I got for the book I was talking about, the religious book. I would be writing down some good quotes and so on. So this is again the normal notebook, but unlike the previous notebook, which was like with this productivity, this is how the productivity notebook looks like. Amazing Erin Condren paper. It has these back side, they have all those stickers which I removed in front of the camera. I think I should not have done, because I could have kept those stickers only for this, but yeah. And this is my life with Baby S. He's got the whole world in his hand. Trust him. Honestly, God has everything in his hands. And then it has India, where I come from, and then the rest of the world. This is where I am right now. Yeah, here somewhere, it's not very clear. Middle East, Qatar, and the rest of the world. My best friends in Canada, my other friends in UK, one friend is, and lot of friends are in Dubai, and all around the world, Philippines, so on. So this is how it looks like. My family is in India, and at the back it has the rest of the countries. So this is still Africa. The Canada and all is right here. Canada and the US is here. This is the South America, and this is how it opens up like this. But this part is hidden by God itself. I should have got it printed inside, but it's okay. And I put Jesus and Sai Baba there to bless the world. And this is how it is. Yeah. Take note, classic line notebook, do the right thing. And I would be using this. Let's see, maybe I plan it for something else. If I do, I will definitely, if you leave it in the comments, if you want to know how I'm using my notebooks and my journals, I would definitely like to share with you guys. Again, these are my favorite stickers. These asterisk label stickers are here. You get quite many of them, and you can use it for these notebooks. So this is my other notebook. Now, if you've stuck till here, please consider subscribing to my channel. I do these haul videos quite often, but now I would be stopping it till Black Friday or the friends and family sale. Once the new Petite planner comes, I want to buy the new wellness log, which is mine is almost getting done. I also have, if you are interested in how I got my Petite planners fixed, you can watch my video from my Erin Condren playlist. And I would like to give shout out to two of my friends. So if you're my subscribers, you know what I like. So if any of my makeup enthusiasts who like makeup and who want to see lovely eyeshadow looks and all, one of my very good friends, her name is Somi, she's based in UK. She has a new channel, so I will put the link below in my details, so you can subscribe to her channel, have a look. If you like it, consider subscribing. She does amazing makeup tutorials, you will really enjoy it. And another, and always my best friend Aditi, she makes some amazing food, and her channel is amazing as well. Not just saying for the sake she's my best friend, but she does cook very well. Please kindly support her, go and have a look at her channel as well. My recipe books would be definitely having her recipes inside once. So now I was just waiting for both the notebooks to come so I can plan out in this. So that's all, and it's quite late at night. It's almost 1 a.m. My baby and my husband are sleeping. I wanted to get this done as soon as possible, because I promised you guys by today or latest tomorrow. So I would have this posted latest tomorrow, that is going to be Sunday. Thank you once again for watching my videos, for subscribing, and all the new subscribers, welcome to my channel. I hope you consider subscribing and stick to my channel. Take care of yourself. May God bless each one of you. May you always know the most important thing in life is love, forgiveness, and humanity. That's all that matters. Religion, caste, creed, everything fades in time. What really matters is how our heart really feels. And always remember, whatever comes from heart goes to the heart. So do whatever you do with all your heart in it, and you will get the results. Thank you once again, and take care each one of you. Good night and good day, good morning, wherever you are in whatever part of the world. Thank you for watching. Take care.